I'm laying out this pattern for the back of my couch, and it's basically going to be it's going to be something like that. This is going to be a 15-degree angle. So this right here I measured by measuring from the back of my box to where I want it to end, and that's 13.5. This here, it was in between where it's not going to block my view because I want to be able to see out the back windows, and this triangle right here. I need this to be 24 at a 15-degree angle. This is 75. This is a 15-degree angle. So I had to do a little bit of trigonometry and stuff to figure that out. And I figured out that length and that length. That would make a hypotenuse of 24. And then I was able to subtract that and figure out that length, and then the height here. Well, this is the height of my. This is the height already of my box that's already there. That's where my mattress is going to be. So then when I figured out that height, then I just added or subtracted that and got this length here, which is, this is going to be 23 by 13.5. I hope that makes sense. I don't want to go into all that detail about how I did that, but I do want to show you how I laid this out. So I'm just going to make a 90 here. Okay, then I'm going to come over. Right here is going to be from the back of my bed to the back of my van where I want it to end at. And that's going to be 13.5. Right there. And then the height of my bed from the floor up to where the foam pad sits is 11 3/8. So it's off a little bit there, but I'm just going to make a square. And then the total height that I figured out, which is right here, it's going to be 23. When I figured all that out by doing the triangle. I'll show you that here in a minute. Hopefully this will all make sense. If it doesn't make sense now, hopefully it'll make sense when I actually show it to you. So that's going to be the top there. And then right here, I wanted that 15. Try to stay out of the way so you can see it. So I wanted that 75 here, and then this out here is where my mattress is going to be, and I want it to lean back 15 degrees. And this is where I want it to be 24. So I'm just going to put 24 right there. actually, I messed up here. It's not 23 from here. It's 23. It's 23 from there. Because what happens here is this is the triangle, this is that triangle right there. I used that right triangle right there with a hypotenuse of 24 at an angle of 75 degrees. And I figured that length, and then I figured that length. And then, like I said, I had this length from measuring from my bed, which is right here, back to the back of my van. And then I had this height from here to here is from the floor to the top of my bed. And then I just figured that triangle right there and got that length, which is the same as that, which is 23. And then I'm going to have a flat part. So now I can extend this line up to the 23. Make sure I got a square right there. 23 is right there. And then I'm going to extend that top line over. So there's where my back's going to go. I'm going to have another foam pad right here. And then have a little flat on the top. So that's my layout right there. And I'm going to have 4 of those. And the way I got this 75-degree angle is I just measured my couch and I made this. I took the cushions off the couch and I just laid it up there and taped it. My couch is really comfortable, so I figure if I make it as close to that, I should be good. The only problem that I think I'm going to have is I don't like this is going to stick up into the window, but I'm hoping, so I'm going to build this whole thing out of cardboard and I'm going to tape it in there and I'm going to try it before I actually build it because I like to see out of my back windows. So that's how I did that. Stay tuned and I'll show you more of this, and hopefully it'll make better sense once I put these in the van and show you what's going on.